Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So another day, another lesson to learn today. So keep on watching of this because we will talk all about social change. So let's start.
A few moments
So
later.
guys, first of all, what is social change? So social change refers to an alteration in the social order of a society. Social change may include changes in nature, social institution, social behaviors, or social relations. As the first social change may include changes in nature. So, what is happening to our nature? Our Mother Earth is currently facing a lot of environmental concerns. The environmental problems like global warming, acid rain, air pollution, urban sprawl, waste disposal, ozone layer depletion, water pollution, climate change, and many more affects every human, animal, and nation on this planet. And how is nature being destroyed? Clearing habitats of agriculture is a principal cause of habitat destruction. Other important causes of habitat destruction include mining, logging, trawling, and urban sprawl. Habitat destruction is currently ranked as a primary cause of species extinction worldwide. And also guys, our communication nowadays and the languages nowadays. And guys, social change communication is an umbrella term involving strategic use of advocacy, media, interpersonal, and dialogue-based communication. And social mobilization is systematically accelerate change in underlying drivers of HIV risk, vulnerability, and impact. Now guys, we will mention some of the examples of social change. First, the Reformation. Second, the abolition of transatlantic slave trade. Third, the civil rights movement. And fourth, the feminist movement. Fifth, the LGBT plus rights movement. And the sixth is the green movement. What are the three causes of social change? There are numerous and varied causes of social change. Four common causes are recognized by social scientists are technology, social institution, population, and environment. All four of these areas can impact when and how society changes. How will you define social change in another way? Social change may refer to the notion of social progress or social-cultural evolution, the philosophical idea that society moves forward by evolutionary means. It may refer to a paradigmatic change in socioeconomic structure, for instance, the transition from feudalism and capitalism, or hypothetical future transition to some form of post-capitalism. Social development refers to how people develop social and emotional skills across the lifespan, with particular attention to childhood and adolescence. Healthy social development allows us to form positive relationship with family, friends, teacher, and other people in our lives. Accordingly, it may also refer to social revolution, such as socialist revolution presented in Marxism, or to other social movements such as women's suffrage or the civil rights movement. Social change may be driven through cultural, religious, economic, scientific, or technological forces. And now we will talking about the theories of social change. Change comes from two sources. One source is random or unique. Factors such as climate, weather, or presence of specific groups of people. Another source is systematic factors. For example, successful development generally has the same requirements, such as a stable and flexible government, enough free and available resources, and diverse social organization of society. On the whole, social change is usually a combination of systematic factors along with some random or unique factors. Many theories attempt to explain social change. One view suggests that a theory of change should include elements such as structural aspects of change, like population shifts, processes and mechanisms of social change, and direction of change. And there are the one who attempt to explain social change. Hegelian. The classic Hegelian dialectic model of change is based on interaction of opposing forces, starting from point of momentary stasis, thesis countered by antithesis first yields conflict. Then it's subsequently result in a new synthesis. And the second one is Marxist. Marxism presents a dialectical and materialist concept of history, seeing humankind's history as a fundamental struggle between social classes. The third one is Kahnian. The philosopher of science Thomas Kuhn argues the structure of scientific revolution with respect to the Copernican revolution that people are likely to continue utilizing an apparently unworkable paradigm until the better paradigm is commonly accepted. And the fourth one is Heraclitan. The Greek philosopher Heraclitus used the metaphor of a river to speak of change thus. On those stepping into rivers staying the same other waters flow. What Heraclitus seems to be suggesting here, later interpretations notwithstanding, is that in order for the river to remain, the river change must constantly. And the last one is Taoist, the Chinese philosophical work Tao Te Ching. Water, although soft and yielding, will eventually wear away stone. Change in this model is to be natural, harmonious, and steady, albeit imperceptible. And guys, we'll talk about the last one. 4 levels of action. World Grant of Pachamama Alliance describes 4 levels of action for change. First, individual. Second, friends and family. Third, community and institution. 4, economy and policy. Grants suggest that individuals can have the largest personal impact of focusing on level 2 and 3. So guys, thank you for watching, and that's all for today. And don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you guys. Bye.